A refreshing breeze in the hot summer. The permanent magnet direct drive motor large ceiling fan delivering for you a three-dimensional natural breeze. Cool, quiet, comfortable, energy saving, and eco-friendly. Here are the examples. The key to a great product is its core system. Motor design. Adopt the permanent magnet brushless motor. Easy maintenance. High power density, small size, and lightweight. High efficiency, energy saving, and cost effective. Compact design. Protectin Class IP55. Automatic stator wiring. Control system. Customized, moisture-proof and stain-resistant electrical control cabinet. Various speed adjustment modes. Precise control. Adopt digital vector control technology. Automatic safety protection feature. Stable operation. Fan blade system. Aerospace aluminum magnesium alloy monolithic forming. Corrosion resistant, high strength, high toughness and fatigue resistant. Bird wing shaped fan blade design, creating 3D natural breeze. For details, please refer to our product specification sheet. Various customized 6-blade, 8-blade or stainless steel series are available for order. Please contact our sales representative for production inquiries or any other details.